Hello everyone, I am Nanni and this is my channel. Welcome! And overall, welcome to the never-ending story. This is the 9th video I made over this. And it is from 2 or 3 videos that I say, now it's time for electronics. No, perhaps this time. But this morning I was looking inside the cabin and I've seen the ground and the wheel. That's not good. So I decided to make fenders to close the gap. Also rear, this little one, now it's a little bit more full, even if the wheels are a little bit too large, but I don't want to do too much work here, a work that I can do but I don't want to do. So in this video, how do I make the fenders? These are very elastic, they works very well, and on the rear down these pieces, these 2 little pieces. After fenders, very nice, I have decided to modify something here on the steering in order to have more steering angle. Can you see that little pin? Now I have to remove it because this stops the steering angle. I want to have a little bit more of steering angle. So this is a new little modification. Then a little bit more. Okay. I think that now we can really start with the electronics. I turn the camera down like this. Okay, and now we speak about electronics. I've told you that I have bought a very nice blue Servo 20 kg, and it is this one that has this wonderful servo horn. I have bought on Amazon. This is the code. You can take a picture if you're interested. I have connected this and it works very well. It's very strong. I don't know if you really 20 kg as they say. This servo horn is absolutely fantastic. But there's a problem. On this kind of cars, you have to mount a servo saver. That it is a spring that let this goes without interesting the servo. It's absolutely stupid to have a very powerful servo. On a proper crawler you don't have the servo saver, so when you are stuck between rocks you need a very great power to turn the wheels and go. In this case it is not so. I generally use this kind of servo, 12 kg. They are very cheap, and I've used it up to 8 of these servos, but the last 4 I bought were all 4 broken. Don't understand. This is broken. Another one. Switch on. Really, I don't understand why. This is not good. What's the matter with this servo? Now I give back to Amazon the broken servo, and I've bought this new one. So this will be the right servo for this kind of car. First, connect battery to the AC into the receiver. Servo later, doesn't need it, but I do all this to find the 0 point of the servo. Switch off. Binder, bridge, this one in the binder plug. So we have to switch on the radio, and I love Noble. Welcome to Noble, because she say welcome. Then bind with the receiver, switch on, the receiver flashes. Binding successful. Done. It's very easy. Now we have to switch off this one. Turning down. Take off this plug. Now, my friends, I can say that it's time to put inside here the bloody electronics. No more blah blah blah. Start working. This here and this is all the electronics. First of all, we need power for the lights. So we have to change this connector in order to have power source for lights. Start working. Comments, like and subscribe, my friends. Thank you. This is new. Tack. I love it. Okay, we can check if everything works, except for the ESC. So the radio, here, one battery, here, servo is connected, radio is connected, switch is connected, motor not. Here we need to understand if lights can work or not with my switch, this switch. So we connect, okay, they don't have to work. Then we have to connect the switch in the port 3, white external signal, the port 3, that it is this one. Then we have to switch on the radio. Thank you. Switch on this and try. Wow! It works. You haven't seen it. I preferred yellow lights, not so blue. Okay, and rear, ping. It works! So we can mount everything inside. Body apart. My body. With step 13, we continue to follow the instructions. Step 14, servo saver and steering rod. This I have made in the right dimension measure. Then we have to put the this is in 0 position, I suppose. We have to bam. Ah, wonderful. You can move it. Then screw MB4. What? MB4 is the okay, MA3. MA3, it is this, plus this, and this, and this. Okay, by this way, 1 and 2. Servo saver. New. Have you seen? 4-on-4 new servos are broken. They don't return to the middle position. So I've decided that I will mount the blue servo on the red catenate and use the red catenate servo for my Unimog. It's all folks. Thank you for watching. Remember, comments, like and subscribe, and up to the next. Bye bye.